It was another strong quarter for Costco. Same-store sales increased the most in 5 quarters as consumers continue to look for value in groceries. And the retailer also said more members are purchasing more discretionary at a time where inflation remains sticky. For a deeper dive into the Costco results, we're joined by Oliver Chen, TD Cowen Senior Research Analyst here. All right, is that a Kirkland? Wait a minute, that is a Costco sweater, crew neck sweater. My goodness. Okay.
Dress the part.
Man dresses the part, stays with the times here. Oliver, I mean, just take us into your thesis here.
Brad, we're really excited about the results at Costco. Costco is a really unique company, as you know, that focuses on value. It's one of our big ideas. They'll be at our conference next week, but what's really happening is continued traffic momentum, which is quite positive, renewal rates at 93%, which is quite high, and customers are looking for value. This is Costco's core competency. The Kirkland brand is also famous for offering outstanding value across the portfolio. That's about 30% of the business. So overall, we are impressed with these strong results. And as you know, the consumer is facing many cross currents. You mentioned in your comments that Costco is seeing some benefits from non-food product. That's a huge positive too, because we're not yet seeing that at other retailers such as Target. So as inflation starts to cool a bit, Costco's an early sign of this, and this company is benefiting. A new CFO as well.
Oliver, when it comes to, I'm curious your take on the stock reaction here with it being off 2%. It looks like a strong quarter. Is that just reflective of current valuation, the fact that we closed at an all-time high heading into this print?
Yes, that's true. The PE multiple's at 45 times. The 3-year average is closer to 35, and Walmart's at 22 times. So as we think about Costco's valuation, it's expensive, but in our opinion, it's worth it. It's a different kind of retailer in that it's a membership model, and about half of the profitability is membership. So that's very sticky and recurring. And also, this is one of the few retailers that's a US retailer that's very global. Unit growth in Asia and China is also impressive.
So Oliver, what do you think that upside then looks like? Shares are already up over 20% since the start of the year.
Yeah, we're excited about this because it's a defensive name in terms of the food exposure and this real core competency for value. But there's also a technology angle here too, in terms of Costco's personalization, their mobile app, their partnerships with Instacart and Uber, and the marketplace model, as well as digital advertising. So a lot can be ahead, and Costco has a very loyal, engaged customer. Also, you really can't get any prices lower than what you can get at Costco, given that the business model is set around 11% markups, and it's very strict. So you're getting the best deal possible on this sweatshirt, as well as this jewelry and the food. And it's also a treasure hunt. The future of retail is about these in-store treasure hunts, and that's what you really need to captivate customers to get in store as well.
Wait, the chains are from Costco too, Oliver?
Yeah, they're a top jewelry seller. They're actually one of the top diamond sellers. So, this company really surprises and delights. And when you go into a Costco, as you know, you find things you never knew you needed or wanted. And that's part of the magic of Costco.
I think we're witnessing peak Oliver Chen right now. Oliver, I think you're in your zone, you're in your element, you look comfortable, you look good. At the end of the day, you think about where Costco sits among the broader universe that you cover right now. How do you look at them versus some of the competition?
Yeah, what we see is bifurcation. So, Brad, Costco's household income on our survey data is much higher than Walmart or Target or Sam's Club. That's a big benefit. And as you know, I do cover a wide range of stocks, but we like very strong luxury stocks such as LVMH. And then we look for value stocks such as Walmart, which is offering a very exceptional value to customers. Costco is offering exceptional value to customers, but it also has a higher household income customer, and there's a technology personalization opportunity too. So it fits a lot of boxes in terms of our themes. The bottom line is that we are in this consumer environment that's somewhat bumpy and cautious, and inflation is still bothering consumers. So everybody's looking for low prices, and Costco squarely fits in here, as well as this merchandise execution, which is really core to what Costco does. The other point is Costco only has about 3,500 items. Walmart has 200,000 plus. So Costco can be very agile in how they manage these items and also deliver a lot of expertise and precision in terms of a great item at a great price, such as this chain, such as this sweater, such as a lot of the liquor. It's great.
All right, Oliver Chen, you sold us. TD Cowen, Senior Research Analyst. Thanks so much for joining us here again. Costco shares, strong quarter, but the stock under a bit of pressure here, off just about 2% in early trading.